Hey, it's Annette. I thought I would take y'all with me to pick orders. Does that sound fun? Okay. So I'm going to turn the camera around so you're not looking at my face. And here's the messy warehouse. All right, we're going first to clothing. Let's look for clothing. I didn't hang my phone around my neck, so I have the camera in one the camera in one hand and phone in the other. Okay. So 996. We're looking for 996. Nine nine zero. Hold on, I gotta hang this thing down around my neck. How about like that? What can you see? Nine nine six. 994. 996. All right. Next, we have. Sorry, it's so. I'm just not a good filmer. I'm trying. I'm making it more handheld. Sorry, it's wobbling all over the place. Okay. Next is. I know I have somewhere clothes. Oh, a hat. A hat is in the shoe department, which is back here. So this is where all the shoes are and hats. And there's that Wimbledon hat. I just listed it. Sold for $44. All right. Then we have a plate and shelf sitter and a vase. Okay. So we'll go get the shelf sitter first. Right here. And where's 6? There he is. Right over there. This giraffe. That guy. Then I'm going to go put this stuff down. My hands are full. I already got a pair of shoes yesterday because I wasn't sure where they were. I was nervous about it. Okay, so here's so far. Now we're going to come over here, find this plate. It is a decorative. I see it right there. This is it right here. And so I need to get to that. Turn you on so I can see what you see. There we go. All right. Ooh, this is wobbly. All right, this is got to be redone, but I'm not going to do it this moment, obviously. Ooh. Okay. Here is the plate. And then we will scooch over here to this area. And there is a vase in there I'm going to grab. It's in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Isn't that beautiful? And then a holiday item. So, we'll come over here to the holiday shelf, which is this right here. And this item is like a loose, it's small, so I'm hoping it's in here. Because it just says holiday, which was very unhelpful. Yep. There it is right here. I think. Yeah. Mickey and Minnie, a miniature Mickey and Minnie snowman. Sold for $15. Okay. I think I pulled everything. So now we got to pack it up. So that'll be a different video. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.